Let's make some beef stew kind of soup thing, but I'm using ground beef instead of stew meat because ground beef is way cheaper. So I cooked my ground beef with salt and pepper, and then I am going to add in the vegetables. So I have 2 potatoes, a bunch of baby carrots that I cut up. Then I know most people don't usually add corn, but my kids absolutely love corn, so I'm adding a can of corn. I'm adding this 1/4 of a bag of frozen peas to use it up. I mixed that all together thoroughly, and now I'm going to pour a packet of low sodium or reduced sodium brown gravy mix into the soup. Going to add some garlic powder, a tiny bit of onion salt just to get the onion flavor in there, but I don't want to put too much salt in there, and Italian seasoning. And I'm not going to add any more salt and pepper because I already seasoned the ground beef with that, and I will let people season that themselves. And then I have this big container of beef broth. I'm just going to pour this in until it is just over the vegetable and meat mixture, and then stir everything together. So this whole container was 48 ounces. I have about 1/4 left. It's probably about where my thumb is. And this is what the soup looks like. We're going to mix it so that all the seasonings are well incorporated. And then we are going to set the crock pot. We are going to do 8 hours on low. Sorry for the random splicing in the recipe, but I did go back and add a second packet of the brown gravy mix because I tasted it and it was pretty bland. And I'm also going to add fire roasted diced tomatoes into the crock pot for some extra flavor and mix that all together. This is about halfway through the cooking time, so we have 4 hours left. Our potatoes are coming along nicely, and the carrots, because those are really the only things that need to soften to finish off the recipe. And here is the finished soups. It came out so good. Enjoy if you try this, and let me know if you do.